how to get buffies in Brawl Stars. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your game, then click on this option of buffies on the left hand side corner, and this is where it will take you. Now choose the brawler for which you want the buffies for, and it is absolutely random, so just choose any one of these sites. So I'm going to go with this one, and I will just simply randomly get one and then press this button to move this arrow, and then press this button to claw it up, and it will pick any particular random buffy. And let's see which one we got, and we got the one for BB. So it is going to be a complete package for us now, since I already got the legendary one or the hypercharge one for the BB already, and I got all 3 buffies for BB this way. And this is how you can get it too. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.